an oven in there.
So as long as at least 2 trucks go back, we're all set.
Well, they'll have a Suburban, but they're hauling 3 boats, right?
Yeah, so 2 boats, they'll all come back. We'll ride up in the Suburban.
Right, but we only got 4 people.
Yeah, we just have to we just get around the road.
Premium seating.
Yeah, I asked